So from my previous video that I showed you, you can easy to get millions of views on Instagram Reels, and you can easy to get thousands and thousands of followers from this feature, because Instagram are using this feature to compete with TikTok. They are trying to drive user back to Instagram, this platform, so you can easy to get followers on your page. But the question is, if your country or your region are not allowed on this feature, this Instagram Reels, then how you can fix it. So first we need to understanding why Instagram Reels are not available in your country or region. So according to the CEO of Instagram, Adam Mosseri, he says, the biggest problem not available in your country is the music license. As we all know that Instagram Reels, there is a lot of music inside this feature. There is a lot of music inside each and video, so you can easy to hear that video song because the license are not available in your country. So this is why you can't use this feature right now yet. So you need to give Instagram time to negotiate with this company, so later on in your country or region, you can start using this feature. But today I'm going to show you a little trick that you can start using it today. So now let's jump onto my phone. I'm going to show you how you can start upload videos on Instagram Reels. Okay, so let's open up Instagram. Then you can go up to the search bar and type in any page that you like. So that's, for example, I'm going to the Adam's page. Then you can see here, these are all Reels. So you can just click on any video that you like. Then click on the video again. Then on the top right hand side, you can see there's a camera icon. Just click on that. Then boom, you can see this is the Reels feature. You can see at the bottom it says Reels, and at the bottom left you can upload video that you download from the other pages, or now you can start record your own Reels from this feature. So now it's just simple as that you can start using Reels. So what are the features of Instagram Reels that you don't have if you use this trick to start upload your videos? So the first one is the music, yes, because the biggest problem that your region or your country are not allowed to using Instagram Reels is the music. So this is why when you are seeing this upload page, you won't see the music option, you can't use it. But you can still use your own music. You can use the music that from your download, and you can create a music from yourself. You just can't use the music that is provided inside Instagram Reels. So this is the first feature that you are missing. And the second feature that you are missing is the 60-second video. So from my experience that I found that I can only upload videos that is 30 seconds. But sometimes the 60-second video will show up. So it's just depending on each different platform. Some you can upload 60 seconds and some you can only upload 30 seconds. So the third feature that you are missing is the analytics. Yes, you can't see the analytics for your Reels because Reels are not available in your country or region, so you can't see the analytics. But you can see how many views for your videos, and you can see how many likes, and you can also see comments, everything, but you just can't see the analytics. But it's totally fine because your video will still go viral and you can still generate a lot of followers. And the last feature that you are missing is you can only use the iOS system. You can only use iPhone. I don't know why. I have Android device, I have iPhone device, but I can only upload, I can only see the Instagram Reels, this feature on my iPhone. Maybe you can try out on your device, but I'm not sure. I can see from my experience that I can only use on iPhone. So you can try, if you are not using iPhone, you can try on your phone if this method works for you, and let me know if this method works for you if you are not iPhone. And if this doesn't work for you, you can go to buy a like iPhone 5 or iPhone 6. Now it's really cheap, doesn't cost you a lot of money. Then you can start upload Instagram Reels with your iPhone device. So with this feature I'm missing, are you still worth it to use Instagram Reels? The answer is yes, because when you are upload this video on Reels, Instagram will start promoting your videos. They will promote your video like normal reels and will promote to all the audience, all the people that unfollow your page. Then these people will see your video, and if they like your video, they will follow your page. So it's totally worth that you can upload this video. You can see from my page, I upload a lot of video. If you haven't seen the previous video, you can watch out, then you can see that I have a lot of views. I have millions of views, and I have generated thousands of followers on my page. So it's totally worth it. And also right now, Facebook also have the Facebook Reels, and Facebook Reels are available in all countries. So that means you can also go out to Facebook and start posting Reels. In the future, I will show you how you can start posting videos on Facebook Reels. And now you have two platforms. You just upload the same video on two platforms, and you can start having even more reach and even more followers. So basically this is all for today. So I show you everything that I upload on my Instagram page. I'm also the same as you. My country are also not available with Instagram Reels. So this is the trick that I found out. So I hope this video will help you so you can start upload video on Instagram Reels and start generate thousands and thousands of followers. So thanks for watching this video. If you like today's video, you got value out of it, give me a thumbs up. I'll be appreciated. And also don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel and turn off the notification bell. So I'm Johnson Lin. Be motivated yourself and never give up.